Hello, Brad here again with another fragrance review. Today I'm going to talk about Solo Low. And this is what that looks like. If you have the bottle, I actually have two samples of this one and it's all gone. So I had plenty of wearings, 4 mLs of wearings from this fragrance. This one is classified as an oriental. Came out in 2004. And the notes, all kinds of notes going on here. Top notes: lavender, mandarin orange, bergamot, lemon, guava, thyme, rosemary, cashmere wood, patchouli, and costus. Middle notes: aldehydes, nutmeg, cinnamon, pink pepper, mint, caraway, anise, and tangerine. And in the base, amber, musk, oak moss, vanilla, and woodsy notes. So with this fragrance, as you can see, all kinds of things going on here. It hits you from so many different directions. A very unique fragrance. Um, when I first smelled it, I thought it was pretty nice, but I think after just a few hours, I quickly kind of got sick of it. What's interesting is that the same kind of thing happened to me with Lancome's Hypnose. And I think the reason that is maybe it's that lavender mint combo that just kind of doesn't work for me. But this one also has that lavender mint combo in there. So some similarity to Hypnose, although this one I think has so much more going on here. It's spicy, almost candy-like as well. The guava I think gives it a hint of tropical um, feel as well. The herbalness almost gives it more of like a vintage feel, but the spiciness and the sweetness kind of give it a youthful vibe. Um, I do kind of get like a cinnamon feel here, like the orange as well. So yeah, this is the best thing about this fragrance. I think is just the way it's just so different. And if you're a fan of like different fragrances, if you like to just smell things that are different, maybe that's why you kind of ventured off into niche. Don't skip over this one. It's a designer, but it definitely has the mentality of something a little bit different and offbeat. Um, I'm probably not gonna wear this one anymore after today, but I'm certainly glad I gave it a whiff. Probably the closest similarity I can think of is probably a woman's fragrance called Marnie. Now Marnie had like a spicy candy feel to it as well, but that one had some rose in it. If you've ever smelled Catalyst by Houston, a little bit like that maybe as well, which was also kind of like a spicy candy kind of a thing going on. So fragrances that kind of have like a spiciness, like candied sweetness to it. If you like that kind of a feel, check this one out. Quite different. I don't think it's gonna, compete with anything else in your collection. If you like Orientals, check it out. Let's see, get into some scores here. The smell, I think I'm going to go with 5.5 out of 10. Briefly enjoyed it, but quickly kind of lost interest in it because all those notes coming together just kind of, I don't know, after a while, it just kind of put me off a little bit. The projection longevity, I'll give it 7 out of 10. Did pretty good for 2 to 3 hours, and then it kind of tamed down. Uniqueness, 8.5 out of 10. It's some similarities to like Hypnose, maybe some other fragrances, but overall, it's its own thing, and definitely worth checking out for the uniqueness of it. Versatility, I think you could probably wear this one pretty much anytime. Probably best, I would think, for fall, being an Oriental, but not real like a dense, thick Oriental like Hypnose. More watery, I think, and airy than Hypnose, but probably not something I would recommend as a signature scent. I think if you wore this one more than once or twice a month, it would probably just kind of get, cloying or just kind of bothersome. Price point: 2.5 ounce bottles can be had for $48. So 7 out of 10 there. Overall, I'll give this one 6 out of 10. Worth checking out just for the uniqueness of it and to give it a few wearings. Maybe you'll actually like it and get some compliments. Like I got a compliment at work on this one. Yeah, it's worth checking out, but I probably won't buy a bottle of this one. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you later.